I'm busy throwing hints that he keeps missing. Don't have to think about it if I wanna kiss and everything around it, but he's too distant. I wanna feel his body, you know I can't resist it. I know my hidden looks can be deceiving, but how obvious should a girlie be? I was taken by the early conversation piece, and I really like the way that he respects me. I've been waiting patiently for him to come and get it. I wonder if he knows that he could say it, that I'm with it. I knew I had my mind made up from the beginning. Catch this opportunity so you and me could be the girls. If you're ready for me, boy, you better push the button and let me know before I get the wrong idea and go. You're gonna miss the freak that I control. I'm busy showing him what he's been missing. I'm kinda showing off from his full attention. My sexy ass has got him in a new dimension. I'm ready to do something to relieve this mission. After waiting patiently for him to come and get it, he came on through and asked me if I wanted to go with him. I knew I had my mind made up from the beginning. Won't miss the opportunity so you and me can feel it, 'cause if you're ready for me, boy, you better push the button and let me know before I get the wrong idea and go. You're gonna miss the freak that I control. So if you're ready for me, boy, you better push the button and let me know before I get the wrong idea and go. You're gonna miss the freak that I control.